It's your girl L, you dig? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. What's today?
You just ran a stop sign.
Today? No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
Oh, shoot. I'm always trying to vlog while driving. What's the date today?
Now you guys know she's the lawbreaker.
What's the date today?
Today is the 7th.
Today the 8th. Vlogmas day 8. You dig? You dig? Yeah, little Brody get out of jail tomorrow.
It's backwards tomorrow. Free Birdo.
Yeah, it's no longer free Birdo to us backwards because baby, it's Birdo free.
Baby.
Yeah, y'all gonna see my little brother tomorrow, you know.
We're gonna do a family thing, a family tag.
Yes, sir. Got Rico, got the kids, got that ugly dog. And finna drop them off so I can go do a little Christmas shopping. So y'all come with me or whatever, you know. Can't take them because they'll see the gifts.
You guys can come with us too. I'm gonna do it first.
Yeah, go ahead. Go to the park
camera
with them. They going to. Where am I taking you to?
Back there.
Oh shoot, so I gotta go around. All right, y'all. Well, stay tuned. You see, I'm finna go to Walmart. You'll see me at Walmart. Why are you touching me?
That's DLG stuff.
DLG, quit touching me, bro.
Yeah, we can. Say hi to YouTube, DLG. Hello, how are you?
Alicia trying to say hey. Man.
First, don't hear her.
You know, Ken. There we go. I see the lady. Get out right here and walk with the dog. She's walking her dog. They could be friends.
I know. I'm trying to find them some friends. If you guys know any dogs in the local area that would like a friend, bring them. There's another dog.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
All right. Now, peace for real. Farewell. Goodbye, y'all. You guys have fun at the dog park. Oh, regular park. Dang, he already took off running, man. Oh, she can't even control the dog. Okay, bye-bye. Time to go get some Christmas presents. You too. Yo, I suck at this vlogging thing. I was in Walmart. There was so many people in there. The lines are so long. I didn't vlog. I ended up grocery shopping. Y'all can see some of the items. I'm dropping them off at my grandma's house right now until like around Christmas time when I get them to wrap them or whatever. So yeah, successful day of grocery shopping, Christmas shopping for Vlogmas day 5, you dig? I'm gonna insert a little video in here. Last night at work I worked on a couple shirt items, so I'll go ahead and include those in this video to give y'all something to see. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. All right, now peace for real.